It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa tayo isang pork rib soup with vegetables. Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And itong recipe na to, isang truly simple na dish kasi nilalaga mo lang lahat ng ingredients mo hanggang maluto, then ready to serve na. But the key here is timing, no? Hindi mo ilalagay sabay-sabay yung ingredients mo. And meron akong pork ribs here. Yung pork ribs ko, I washed it several times, no? Para maging clear siya. And after that, sinoko siya sa tubig. Binabad ko siya ng mga 10 to 15 minutes. Put our ribs there. So, ito siya. Kahit sabihin mo, puro lang siya buto. It's very nutritious because all the, the nutrients, the calcium, the proteins in the bones will, seep into the water. Kaya sinasabi nila, yung soup is an edible meal. Kasi kahit sabaw mo, hinahigop mo siya. It's very nutritious. Let that sit in the pot until it warms up. And I will also add my other ingredients such as, meron akong luya. And very important ito sa recipe na to, as I remember it. Maraming luya. I'll add an onion as well. Yan, just quarter it. Add ko dito sa aking pot. Salt. And pepper. So, I'm using peppercorns. Yan. No? And I will just cover my pot. Then I will just let that simmer for 20 minutes before I will add my other ingredients. So, our nilaga is already boiling. And look at that, no? Tingnan mo, wala siya masyadong scum. Very little lang yung natitirang scum. Kasi hinugasan na natin siya and binabad na natin siya sa tubig. And we just let that simmer for another 10 minutes. And now, we continue by adding our next batch of ingredients, which is actually our gabi, which I sliced earlier. Pero remember, you should always add the ingredients based on the length of time it requires to get cooked. Ito, I add my gabi and I will let that simmer again until my gabi is cooked. I'll cover my pot again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So I have kalabasa here, squash, yellow squash. I just cut it into pieces. Yan. Kumakain kami ng vegetables dahil minamash siya kasama ng aming kanin. Yan. And of course, saging saba. Not too ripe, no? I don't like it to be too ripe. So, ito, sabay-sabay na natin i-drop yung ating kalabasa, ating saging, and sayote. We use sayote, or sometimes we use papaya. Yan. Ang nilalagay namin dito. Sobrang sarap, especially with patis and calamansi on the side. Yan. So, ito, I'll just check on my gabi if it's tender enough. Yan, malambot na yung aking gabi. So, sometimes what we would do here is we would mash the gabi, no? But I will not mash the gabi today. I will add my kalabasa, yan, yellow kalabasa, saging saba, and imagine all these flavors coming together, and our sayote. Yan. All the flavors coming together, pasarap ng ating sabaw, pasarap din dito, buntot ng baboy. Basta maraming buto-buto, masarap yan. We have a choice of vegetables. So, sometimes kami, hinahalo namin petchay na native. Cut it into pieces. Yung gagawin natin dito, yung mga leafy parts, tatabi ko siya. I will add it later. Pero yung stalk niya, ilalagay ko na dito sa sabaw. Kasi, eto siya. The more you cook it, the more linamnam your soup will be. So, I will add it here. Yan. Let it simmer. Let it cook along with the other vegetables. Yan. Cook that for, mabilis na lang yan, mga 3 minutes siguro. And I think my vegetables are already cooked. Luto na yung, di ba? Ibang vegetables, lalo na yung kalabasa. Oh, that's tender, ha? Very tender. And final set of vegetables na tayo. Ito na yung mga leafy vegetables natin. If you use repolyo, you can add your cabbage. We have our bok choy or your native petchay. And to add the final seasoning, we use Datu Puti Patis. So, for me, this is around 4 tablespoons of Datu Puti Patis. Yan, just let that simmer. Let the vegetables cook. And I'll get my bowl because it's ready to serve. Yan, ating bowl. Nandiyan na siya. Nag-aabang sa masarap na sabaw. Yan, put our pork. Just that. Our vegetables, of course. Yan. And of course, sausawan natin. This is such a happy soup. Very nutritious. Very heartwarming. And of course, it reminds me of my family. Kaya, try this recipe at home. Our soup for today, pork ribs with vegetables. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, kahit pakulo lang, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.